Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I like us to unbox this P47M cat ears wireless headphones. They are just like the normal P47 headphones, it's just that they have these RGB cat ears, as you can see. So they are not something new. They have just added these RGB cat ears. So guys, you can if you want to read, we have some features here. You can pause and read. So let us unbox and see what is inside or what comes with these headphones. Big shout out to all my subscribers, my amazing subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. I wouldn't be here without you guys, so thank you so much. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, when you open, we have it is just like the normal P47. So we have this small, as you can see, a manual. We have Chinese here, and then we have English, and then we have this short cable micro USB. Because of they are so cheap, they don't come with a USB type C. They just come with the this micro USB. Then we have our headphones themselves here. I bought color pink. We have a lot of other colors, so it is your choice to buy which you want. So as you can see guys, these are very cute, very nice. So we have our cute ears here which have RGB, and then you can adjust and you can close. If I can say close, as you can see here, you can adjust here. Then we have drivers here. We have some cushion. This cushion is not that bad. It would hurt your head or ears. As you can see, it's very squishy and they are very nice. And then we have our control buttons here. We have on and off, as you can see, on and off. Previous, these they are for songs. Previous and volume down, and next and volume up. We have mode here. Then we have one button which is big. We have pause and play, and this one you pick your calls with, you hold or you cut your calls, and if you double tap it, it will call the previous number. We have this hall here. This is a LED indicator for charging when it's connected. We have mic here. Then we have aux port here, as you can see. Then we have our charging port here, as you can see, micro USB, and then we have our micro SD card here. You can connect your micro SD card there. This is just a plastic, guys. There's nothing new, just plastic, because it's very cheap. So let me connect so that we can hear how they sound. The good thing about this P47 headphones, I liked the first one because the sound quality was very nice. They are cheap, but the sound quality is very nice. Mostly the bass, it has a very good bass. So first, let us turn them on. Just press and hold this button like this, and as you can see now, it is on, and they are quite nice. As you can see, the LED, as you can see, it is very nice, guys. As you can see, the only problem with this is because they are so cheap, you cannot control this LED in any way. You cannot change the animation, you cannot switch them off. They will just be like this. It could have been better even if it's not changing the animation, just a switch. When you don't need the RGB, you can just switch them off, but you cannot switch this RGB off. They will just stay like this. So let us connect our phone here. Yes, let us see search here. Yes, we have P47 here. As you can see, we have P47. It's just a P47. There's nothing much. So let us connect and pair. Now it is connected. So let me play a song here. one of the song. Wow, as you can hear, guys, this they are cheap, but the quality of the audio is very nice, guys. You cannot imagine the sound quality of these headphones. Even the previous headphones, it's just like this one. The sound quality is very nice comparing to how cheap they are. As you can hear, very nice. Now, guys, if your battery has been drained, you can use an aux cable, this one. So you just plug on your phone. That is, if your phone supports aux cable, or if it has a aux port, just plug your aux. But the aux cable does not come with the headphone, so you have to find your own aux cable, and then you can plug here like so. Then you can just play your music. So you can hear we have music here. The only problem with the aux cable, this will be they will not function. These buttons, they will control everything from here, so these buttons will not work. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and join the family, and let's grow together. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one.